Hi, my name's Kurt. I'm with SOLIDWORKS. We're here in Seattle, Washington to visit Kvichak Marine Industries. We're going to see how Kvichak utilizes SOLIDWORKS products to make some of the fastest, toughest, hard-working boats in the industry.
I'm Leo Schoengert. I'm the engineering manager here at Kvichak Marine. The company's about 30 years old. We do patrol boats, research vessels, passenger ferries. We've done Navy boats, Coast Guard boats, Army boats. The oil spill recovery industry is really one of our strong ones. We own the technology for filter belt, so that's the mechanism that actually separates the oil from the water.
This is an oil skimmer. It's called a harbor skimmer, and there's a filter belt that drops down between a semi-catamaran hull to corral and scoop up the oil that's on the water.
Now, as I understand it, a few years ago, you guys helped quite a bit in cleaning up the Gulf oil spill.
Yes, as a matter of fact, we got a call that said that they would like to buy some oil skimmers, so we were able to rally and do 45 oil skimmers in 30 days.
We're working with the government. We need to provide them a higher level of information to support their product life cycle throughout the years. So we need to give them extra drawings for maintenance. We need to give them metadata for vendor numbers and where they can buy parts down the road. Up until recently, everything was done on a contract-by-contract basis. Every contract had its own idiosyncrasies about what was acceptable and what was not. But recently, the Department of Defense released MIL Standard 31000, and that has allowed the definition of a 3D technical data package, which is going to, I think, revolutionize the way that we exchange data with the government going forward. With the 3D data packages, if we're modeling in SOLIDWORKS, we've already got the 3D geometry that we can attach metadata to. So as a custom property, we will have the vendor's name and the vendor's part number or cage code. So we can attach metadata to all of that, and that will go through the rest of the process. So the MIL Standard 31000 defines how they will use that information going down the road. With the 3D data that we have now, where we've modeled parts and got a great big parts library that's at our disposal, I think it gives us a competitive advantage to be able to leverage that work that we've done in the past on the next projects. We have the 3D geometry with embedded custom properties with metadata that ties into our ERP system. So we can easily assemble those parts into new systems and retain all of that value.
As we've seen, Kvichak Marine Industries uses SOLIDWORKS products to make some of the greatest boats in the world.
For more information, contact your nearest SOLIDWORKS reseller or explore us further on the web.